first sight of you.
Hey, when you gotta go, you gotta go.
Go right unless you want to get shot today.
Right. I'm going right. Do a barrel roll.
Do a barrel.
Well, if we're in a black town, it's more expensive.
You're on camera, little chump. Get that nigga on camera. I'm gay. He saw the camera, he's like, fuck! Look, Radio Shack, it exists! Oh, you're gonna be famous! How I Met Your Mother.
Ah! How my mother met you.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
I can't help but just like think of you as one of those blind people who just needed to stick. Not gonna talk about sexism. They have a Burger King but not a Burger Queen. Oh! I just come up to the counter and be like, Patrick, I'll have. So what should just do?
Give me some Coke. You gonna show her magic tricks?
Give me probably. Hey, I might get a discount. Yeah.
I might get this Coke. Camera engaged.
Don't blink or you'll miss it. I know the camera blinked, but I don't want you to blink.
I saw that. You made it flip, you fat bastard.
I'll change it back. I'll change it back. Just kidding. I lied. It disappears.
Just like my girlfriend's. You think eating in Newark, New Jersey is bad where you can get shot? Check this out.
Jail food.
This is like homeless food.
Vlogception.
Look, vlog. Mama Luigi. Go good. Sir, you're going over the speed limit. You're walking over 2 miles a second. Oh, really? Like chicken masala today. Hello, friends. Today we're chilling with chicken masala and sucking chicken. Ah! Look, bitches. All right, ready? Go ahead. Bruh.
Damn, son. Damn, son. Damn, son. Damn, son. Damn, son. Damn, son. Smoke weed every day. Really, nigga?
I was doing a Joker.
son.
And then we're gonna get kicked out. Stop. We're gonna get kicked out.
Damn, son. Smoke weed every day.
We're done.